My name is Dylan Borseth. I'm originally from Waterloo and I moved back here a couple of years ago, and I'm currently enrolled in the auto collision program at Hawkeye. I had been living in Iowa City, and prior to that I was in the Marine Corps for 5 years. I had been out for a few years and I had gotten kind of stagnant, and I just needed a jump start to get back into actually doing stuff with my life. Originally I tried to enroll in the auto program, but they were backed up and they asked if I wanted to do collision first. I didn't really have any idea on what that entailed, but I just said yeah, and I'm glad that I did. We've learned body work, dent pulling, stuff like that. Did welding at the beginning. We've been doing painting in the booths, painting cars, parts, just pretty much everything that goes into the collision repair process. Keep an open mind and put forth 100% at everything you do. We've got really good programs here, really good facilities, and I don't think you could really ask for anything more.